Let's go, Zayn Bambino, you killing it, son. Lady G, you killing it. MC Chili, you killing it.
Steve left number boy, when you no longer boy, you're born on this
Except bafethu it's a pop let us say usweet noma regalo you dig usithemba brital for umphinde eninke lomzulu bafethu silana namhlanje ku 2026 Newcastle Winter Festival Newcastle show bafethu and ngibe nama legend usho the old 34 pioneer be podcast bafethu sasibona thina asibaza bayi kamba njani kamya
kusengimnandi nje yami hey brothers also are podcasters but hey the number one podcast you know what it is man I mean like yeah
kamba njani
siyabonga kakhulu mfethu siyabonga kakhulu wena unjani mfethu are you good though
me I'm fine kamba njani mfethu
You know I was waiting for this moment, dog. But God, there was a play. Why is in a version of you, dog? Don't you know who season 2? Some interview. It's in a interview, dog. Like it's it's number one podcast called Platinum.
Yeah,
best
man.
duo, best podcast, best rappers.
Okay. So ngicela bese awusefabula mhla kunye kwase Winter Festival.
Except boy. Well, it's cold, you know.
Yeah.
But boy, the vibe is bringing the heat. It's super hard, dog. Kumnandi lapha. Kumnandi is from the perspective the artist.
Yeah.
Kumnandi as performing and the crowd is there. There's Kumnandi, but also from the perspective the fan.
Yeah.
As too much.
It's too much. Maveni ngicela ukubuza first how do you guys handle first being a musician, being a rapper, a producer, a photographer and also being a number one podcaster? Ngelisha kanjani zonke ngaka first?
wemfowethu uyazi umuthi wasiza kakhulu ngoba ngaba sikho la sikhona you know but to be quite honest I think it's the passion yabo it's the passion when I'm to be you know we are type of people abathi mabebuka into even nidlala ku TV even you know anything that happens in fact that is performative that is art yabo we just like ukuthi let us also do it ngendlela thina sibona ngayo right yeah I wish people can see also our performances as well yabona big shout out to the people big shout out to the fans it's a good question my brother it's a very good question find a balance when I'm to you just have to be master CG player and boy MPN you know what I'm saying it's the hardest thing ever I can't lie to you
Connect I say what's the clever access to clokies Clofits
So first ngicela ukubuza first Newcastle first is a home of stars first yabona first we've seen abo ubani Ntozani lo first usekusinyamane first and this girl went to Big Brother first ukhosithwala first
baningi
first osinenene first Blade Mackenzie first Point PN first Nakuzana first yabona Master Sim first bro first ngifila kanjani this is a come up for sure this is a beautiful beginning yabona how do you guys feel now and where do you guys see yourself maybe in 2 years because 5 years is a long time
yeah well I can't lie to you you know the way we are working ukuthi I don't want to disclose ngoba abantu sibhekane nomakhelwane njalo sibhekane nomakhelwane manje what I'm going to say is we'll try to cover when I'm facing what we can yabona we're hoping ukuthi uNkulunkulu is on our side as well you know what I'm saying we'll try to do the most mfethu okusemandleni and nje mfethu we just appreciate the support you know people who actually think we are the number one podcast, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so there's a lot of avenues that we're trying, not only music wise, you know what I'm saying? Also podcast wise. We are
selling Tom says. No, selling Tom says.
Oh yes, no, definitely.
Yes.
Fortunately.
I had a chance.
Can I answer also the question you asked? Yeah, but it's ukufaka i-time limit sometimes it actually makes you like ube ne-pressure yabo masho ubona ukuthi say in 2 years bese kumele bese ngibe la yabo but sometimes mfethu God's timing dog yabo and I feel like everything is working perfectly noma singayibona ngathi thina is working slowly or fast but it's working perfectly mfethu God's timing all the time yeah
siyabonga just on the press it's a pop let us so sweet yoma marekade utik usitema marekade ufuna ukuphinde enenike lo mzulu silana bafana namhlanje ku Newcastle Winter Festival Newcastle show and bafethu nama legend yase Newcastle umpethu Reushin la ngaphansi on my right hand side umpethu Prime SK lana bafethu kanjani bafethu
sanibona futhi uplayed insizwe enkulu eNewcastle uyihloniphe le ndoda umuyibona
utrend kabe
siyaphila futhi khaba kanjani
siyaphila mfethu ngicela ukubuza first how's the vibe la ku Newcastle Winter Festival
mkhulu kahle sekuvele kwashintshiwe isayenzi sabo akusa-understandeki siyashiselwa kumnandi sevifani bafowethu bahla abantu futhi
eshow ngicela ukubuza mfethu
mkhulu ipull up nomkhosi nje mfethu nangu Prime la sabele nje sahlangana esitodo sumkhosi sathi yazi pull up nomkhosi simanzi kakhulu sonke sifuna ama-ching-ching ching-ching phela bafowethu
Bonila po social media mfethu invest yakho liyathandwa too much mfethu yabo elimbeshela ama-2K mfethu awumani mfethu ulishiya kancane just a little bit of games yakho
Kabo ngalingichithele iqhube ukuthi qhamthisho sengiqhamuka nabo eduze amabhedi athi qhamcela ngawani kusikile into ngabashiye abule
esho abashija yaqhilaza mfethu yabona ngicela ukubuza chance kuseni mhlambe anyway eza ebhalini nasibana mfethu kumane ngiyabuza mfethu
sibala nawe futhi nawe mfethu uyasibala umshinda mfethu uthi makithi ngiyalala ngithi hayi mfethu uplay uyasebenza angivuke mfethu ngiyomlandela mfethu njalo mfethu
yeah ngicela ukubuza mfethu nibona mhlambe in the next 2 years mfethu
mkhulu in the next 2 years mfethu ngifisa nje ukuthi ilokishi lethu yabo mfethu ngapha eNewcastle mfethu sikwazi ukuthi senze ama-event isihlangane zama-artist ama-creative sikwazi ukuthi sihambise into yethu ngale mkhulu ngoba khona into enhle enkulu esenzayo eNewcastle mkhulu umqoko mfethu iswag ingoma yonke into mfethu inswembu mfethu angiyazi mina sise nje angifisa ukuba owakwenye indawo Newcastle for life futhi 034 everywhere
nakashani mfethu siyabonga bafethu ne
manzi kakhulu too much Stevie Wonder Imaxan Boni Tabamilo she says not poli
Somkhuzu kabe yami kanjani ka siyaphila mfethu play Mackenzie lona mfethu suthi mama nengane yothek ngicela ukubuza mfethu how's the vibe like ka Newcastle Winter Festival
mfowethu ngiphatheka kahle kakhulu ekhaya and abantu bagcwele ndoda
kabe yami
bagcwele kakhulu mfowethu ngijabule kakhulu nje ukuba seNewcastle boss sabonga ukuthi njengamanje kulonyaka nje iyona indawo engibizwa kuyo kakhulu ngiyabonga kakhulu
siyabonga kabe yami manje ngicela ukubuza mfethu kuthiwa abalandeli bakho mfethu mhlawumbe umuphi umsebenzi singawulindela eLithamsuni
mfowethu abalandeli bami ngizobatshela ukuthi bekumele ngikhiphe nge-Good Friday so abazi okuningi ngisabile ukuchaza ngenxa yokuthi ngithe kumele ngiyestudio ngiyoqedela ngadlulela ubaba emhlabeni so kodwa njengamanje cabanga ukuthi sesiyidlulisile zonke izinto bezenzeka emndenini njengamanje kusukela manje next week nje ngeThekwini ngiyocedela umsebenzi wami emva kwa next week ngiyobe sengazi ukuthi abantu bami batshela ukuthini enkundleni zami zokuxhumana
awu madoda kabe yami nasi isithombe kabe yami awu madoda
siyabonga uba fosenzile
yeah baba
ngiyabonga kakhulu nasi isithombe mfethu ngenzela sona ngithi umsebenzi wakho omuhle mfethu uyancomeka kakhulu i-artist engiqeja ngalo ngokuthi ngilandela mfethu ngoba ngi-interview wena yabona khuthuza igama lami mfethu wena ngoba uba mina ngu-Amkelano kaChili umsebenzi omngaka mfethu uthathaphi pho ukuthi ushaya umsebenzi omngaka isikhathi vele kade ngisithatha ngoba ngazile ukuthi uyeza ngapha eNewcastle umuntu eNewcastle eDubai vele manje le ndoda ikhonzile umculo wayo ngikhonze kakhulu yazi le ndoda bayidweba kodwa umsebenzi onjengowakho uyaqala ukwenzeka ihlezi buka nje benza abanye abantu mfethu wena oqala nje emlandweni noma thiwa kwenzakalani uyohlezi ukhona kakhulu ngijabula kakhulu ukuthi uyasabulela isithombe sami mangikuposta lapha enkundleni ethi umfo kabani mfethu ngoba angazi noma ubhalile lami ngibhalile la izansi kodwa ku-Instagram ngu-Real Amkelano hayi ngicela qha ungawachomeli ama-fans akho yazo yebo mfowethu ungawachomeli hayi siyabonga kakhulu mfowethu muhle umsebenzi wakho ngiyabonga kakhulu mfowethu yebo mfowethu siyabonga mfowethu omdala
siyabonga mfethu Ekuse bafethu isopopulele sewuswidi yomama nengane udik. Usithembe Murikale Vumphinde elinike lomzulu. Silana bafethu namhlanje ku Newcastle Winter Festival, Newcastle Show 2026 and person the most gorgeous lady bafethu kumapiano. Yaphila mama?
Ngiyaphila njani futhi?
Ngiyaphila mfethu awusemuhle Newcastle.
Thank you. Yabona neskin siyaglowa. Yilokuthi ngila. Ngiyayibamba.
Okay. Bengicela ubuze mama, how's the vibe like namhlanje?
Everything is amazing. The crowd is amazing. It's responsive. Like banenda mangithi sukumsana izandla basukumsizandla. Like mangithi can you feel it? Bathi yebo.
Nkosi yami, bengicela ukubuza mfethu, how's the vibe comparing iKZN nangalo Johannesburg, Pretoria etc.
I think it's more likely the same. Phela ukhumbula ukuthi lana the crowd is much bigger.
Okay.
So at shows it could be smaller, but they also like a vibe.
Oh, a vibe.
Yes, they're a vibe.
Okay, mama. One last question ngaphambi we let you go ne. Bengicela ukubuza mfethu, sibonile lapha kulalela featuring uKhuthuza ne. How was the experience featuring uMaskandi for the first time?
Hayi bengithukile ngithi hayi lo bhuti manje ungisaphi. But it was so nice. It was a nice experience. He flew me to Durban. Sa recorda khona and flew me back home. So like ngiyamthanda ubhuti wami, ngiyambonga futhi ubhuti wami enekhontezayo, okay?
Hayibo. Okay. Bengicela ukubuza wewe mama ne. Uyayibona futhi ungena kuMaskandi. It could be with any artist besides uKhuthuza mfethu.
Ngathi ngiyabona yebo kodwa ngiyathanda kakhulu ukusebenza
noKhuthuza. Ubani mhlawumbe iqhawe ofisa ukusebenza nalo? Lizoyibona le video le definitely and mhlawumbe ngakubeza.
Kumaskandi.
Yebo.
Ngifuna yeah. Ukatsheni noma uMafizolo.
Okay. Bengicela ukushela ingoma kaGatsheni umama Mfizolo eyi-1.
Maria Tsugana.
That's one.
Uthi uyangala.
Uthi thena kasakuthandi. Ubona ukuthi ngizomncenga.
Ubona ukuthi Ayi.
Ubona ukuthi ngizomncenga.
Ayi.
Ubona ukuthi ngizoxolisa. Besithini?
Ngimncenge mina.
Ubani?
Ngizokuncenga mina.
Ngiyabonga ne. Siyabonga mama. Siyanqina.
Can you feel it? I'm
Oh, what's up, boy? I see two, I see one, two, things to tell you about. Uncle MC's on stage. Tell your friends, tell your cousins, tell everyone. 8 o'clock, Uncle MC on stage. Let's go. Zayn Bambino, you killing it, son. Lady G, you killing it. MC Chili, you killing it. Zayn Bambino, where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Get some time, yo. Flex up, I'm going X. I see Zubu Shabetu, Martin Mopotamet.
Let's number boy, Stevie left number boy. When you number boy, you're gonna go to the mall and buy some new shoes. She. Let's go on the day to Dubai for the weekend. She. And pull up with a puppy and her friends in the new pool. She. She living in a mansion, somewhere said, come on. She. I know. She. I need her. She. She a bad, bad, bad. Let's go. She a bad, bad, bad. She don't feel like she wanna load up, but I know. She been walking the outside, no sleep at night. Umufune ngomela dura, bela wenu usweka ha. Watch my fingers, when you go down, hey Foster, Baba Foster, hey Funukalela Costa, Masafani Afarido. Kumela kani kaleza kama ufanye kesi ya chota. Mana mumepeleza ukabosi tumekashim ya korona. Katoka fa, I put my city on the map. Why these niggas too capping? Talk shit, but they never about it. No spot niggas never about it. They gonna come into back in the day. Dale como sabito que aquí dale de eso. Dale que tope, dale que tope, dale que tope, dale que tope. Otra, otra. Stand out here. Ho, stand out here. I'm fully cake. I don't wanna trouble me. I'm fully cake. I'm not getting on business. I'm fully cake. Fully cake. Fully cake. Fully cake. If you are here in 2024, you remember this one. Spoon the threat, little cheesy cat. And it's spoon the threat, little cheesy cat. And it's spoon the threat, little cheesy cat. And it's spoon the threat, little cheesy cat. Please don't be here for their prominence. Step up like these are like reverence. Guessing they burning like cardigans. We just want dead presidents. We're the veterans. Wanna say she's 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 It's a fact. 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 It's a fact.
Make a move, baby, just swing in my hand, feeling my body, body is feeling for you, baby, give me your heart, yeah, say, I know you're scared, look I'm not there, race, I love me, feeling it, take it, pull it for you, I've been a proof it, and I really exists, one time when I'm gonna be pissing on me, give me straight, what I'm getting me, can I give it joy, next take, make sex, memories, and endless blind, I wanna stay strong now. Stage right now, sing your favorite song. Be my forever, no love, you won't promise you. I'm on the stage. I'm the song. Yeah. How much Winter, and the vanity PG, wonders of the Sunday PG. Let's go, energy. Let's go, black energy. Thank you very much. She's smiling if you look at her now. Zikoni domina. Okay. Ako no hapa nito biag. Funai po no tinti. Welcome everyone, this was the booze to come again. All is one fight, stand to chasing them. I'm gonna put Eli Banzi, I'm not my Let's go! Señor Chena Baba Juanito!